DNA fingerprinting in India. DNA fingerprinting in India refers to the use of genetic identification techniques, RFLP/STR based, for forensic, medical, and research purposes, to identify individuals, solve crimes, establish relationships, and aid wildlife conservation. History and development in India. Year. Milestone. 1984. Sir Alec Jeffreys developed DNA fingerprinting in the UK. 1988. DNA fingerprinting introduced in India by Dr. Lalji Singh, known as Father of DNA Fingerprinting in India. 1989. Establishment of the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CCMB, DNA Fingerprinting Unit, Hyderabad. 1990s. DNA fingerprinting began to be used in criminal investigations, paternity disputes, and wildlife cases. 2007. Formation of Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics, CDFD, Hyderabad, the National Center for Forensic DNA Analysis. 2019-2023. Discussions and drafting of the DNA Technology, Use and Application, Regulation Bill for Legal Framework. Pioneer of DNA fingerprinting in India, Dr. Lalji Singh. Developed indigenous DNA fingerprinting probe suitable for Indian population. Established the first DNA fingerprinting and diagnostics laboratory at CCMB, Hyderabad. Applied the technology to real-life forensic and wildlife cases in India. Later became the director of CDFD, CCMB, and Vice-Chancellor of BHU. Widely respected as the father of DNA fingerprinting in India. Institutes involved in DNA fingerprinting in India. Institute. Location. Role. CDFD, Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics. Hyderabad, Telangana. National Hub for Forensic and Diagnostic DNA Testing, R&D in DNA Analysis. CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Hyderabad. Developed original Indian DNA fingerprinting probes. State Forensic Science Laboratories, FSLs. All states, example Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Routine forensic DNA analysis for criminal investigations. National Institute of Forensic Science, NFSU. Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Education, Training, and Forensic DNA Research. Wildlife Institute of India, WI. Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Uses DNA fingerprinting for wildlife conservation and anti-poaching. Legal and forensic use. 1. Forensic applications. DNA fingerprinting is legally admissible in Indian courts for criminal identification, murder, rape, kidnapping, paternity or maternity disputes, identification of dead bodies, missing person cases, wildlife poaching cases. Indian Evidence Act, Section 45, allows DNA evidence as expert opinion. 2. Proposed law, DNA Technology, Use and Application, Regulation Bill. First introduced, 2019. Purpose, to regulate the use of DNA technology for establishing identity in criminal investigations, paternity/maternity testing, missing persons, human remains identification. Main features: establishment of a national DNA data bank and regional DNA banks, formation of a DNA profiling board to ensure ethical use, protects privacy and prevents misuse of genetic data. As of 2025, the bill has been discussed but not fully enacted yet. Applications of DNA fingerprinting in India. Field. Applications. Forensic science. Criminal identification, rape/murder cases, body identification. Legal disputes. Paternity/maternity cases, inheritance disputes. Wildlife forensics. Identifying poached animals or illegal trade, example tiger, elephant, rhino DNA. Disaster victim identification. Tsunami, train, or air crash victims. Medical and genetic research. Disease diagnosis, population genetics. Agriculture and livestock. Verification of crop varieties and animal breeds. Thanks for watching.